everyone, hi, welcome to Joy Cooks once again. I hope you've all had a pleasant day and you're all doing well. So today we will be presenting you with black rice stir fry. So how many of you have heard of black rice? As you know, there are different types of black rice. So today we're doing black rice. We've got the red version, we've got white, we've got brown. Black rice is a very good alternative if you want to reduce your carbohydrates, and if you want to like lose some weight. Yes, it's a good alternative for portion control because it would fill you up much quicker. A very good alternative. So let's go on, guys. So I've placed my pot on my cooker and I'm adding some seasoning to it. It contains water already, so I'm just boiling some water. I've added salt. I'm adding some Maggi now for seasoning. Before now, I've washed my rice so that I can get rid of any arsenic acid in it. And after multiple washes, I'm leaving it to soak for a while so that it can get softened up. So here I'm adding paprika to the water, and the water is boiling away, as you can all see, and I'm adding some garlic. Okay, so you can make use of any seasoning you've got at your disposal. It doesn't really matter. I'm adding onion powder. It all depends on your palate, whatever you're used to, whatever you like to taste, just add that to your seasoning. Bear in mind that that will be the end result after you've cooked your rice in this broth. I particularly like the Suya spice because it just gives it a complete twist to the whole element. Yes, and I'm adding some chili pepper. So I was talking about the benefits of black rice. One of the good things I like about it as well is that it's good for the eyes. You know, if you've got celiac, you can actually have it as well. If you want a gluten-free alternative, yes, black rice is a good one. So my water has boiled away and I'm now adding my already washed black rice. You might wonder about the color. Yes, just like you see in the blueberries. Yeah, it's got the same kind of element to it, and that's why it's got that dark color, which just pigments into the water. So I'm steaming this up so that it can boil in low heat. So after leaving it for a while, I've actually added some of my dehydrated mixed veg. That's the green peas, the sweet corn, and now I'm adding some dehydrated onions because I like the crunch at the end. So I'm hoping that by the time it's all cooked in and married in, I can still retain the crunch effect. I need to stir to that because it still got some water in, and I'm just going to cover it once again to continue steaming. So we've talked about protein, we've talked about what it can do for the eyes, and now just also let you know it's good for your heart by reducing your cholesterol, getting rid of bad cholesterol. So yes, this is a good to go area for you. It also fights inflammation, you know. So if you've got things like arthritis or rheumatoid, you know, this is a good alternative. You know, in the long run, it just helps to reduce this inflammation. It also supports cancer therapies, you know. It's got just so many benefits to it as a whole. Okay, so this is just a close-up of it after it had boiled for a while. There's no more water in the pot, it's dried up now, and you can see it's got this stickiness to it. It's just how the rice is, as opposed to white rice, which is very grainy. This has a bit of stickiness to it, but it's not mushy. It's, you still have that grainy, almost chewy effect when you eat it. It's just got a very interesting texture and taste. So it's a bit tricky to explain it, but I can only say it's amazing. Okay, so now that the rice is ready, so it's time to start frying. So I put my wok on my cooker, and I've added some oil, and it's just heating up now, ready for us to start seasoning. So first to go will be Mr. Thyme. And because my rice has been flavored while I was boiling it, so there you go, I'm ready to just start frying straight away. So don't be deceived by the color, okay? It's just the color of the rice. So imagine you're making white rice, literally. So guys, remember to like, share and subscribe on this channel. Hit that notification button so that you can be alerted every time I post a new video. If you don't like the video, then my videos will not be recommended to you, and you won't know when I'm posting new ones. So it's very important. As much as you love to watch my videos, please kindly remember to click that like button. It takes just seconds to do that. So after much frying, that's what it looks like. I'm gonna add some egg to it, and I would continue frying to let them all marry together. As you can see, it's time to taste. So it still retains that stickiness to it, but it's just amazing. It doesn't stick to the pan at all. It's fine. You can fry it for as long as you want to fry it. It does. You decide how long you'd want it to be, and you can stop at any time. So I'm just adding a little bit more of a kick to my meal, and that's in the neighborhood of Mr. Chili Pepper. And also we're adding some cumin powder. Yeah, and then we're gonna stir again. Okay. So guys, one of these days I would post a video telling you a bit more about black rice and comparing it with the other type of rice, so that you can make a better choice, okay, of what you eat. So this is the finished product, guys. It's lovely, and just as lovely as it looks, it tastes amazing. You can add anything you like, colors, red pepper, yellow pepper, whatever the case, feel free to do so. So guys, it's been nice hosting you to this simple, straightforward recipe once again. Please try this recipe and comment below what your experience has been like. Remember once again to hit the like button before you leave. It takes seconds, guys, and I will be back with another video. Thank you, everyone. Au revoir.